Hey guys, Yuki here. I'm back. My hair is green now. I am grass. And yeah, today I decided, why not, let's play some more Gangbeasts. Me and my friends had this idea where we basically just walk around with fishes on our heads and worship some random guy in an online lobby. Fittingly enough, the first and last game we played had a guy with a fish on his head straight away, so that was funny. What was that? So I've been away for a while. I've been working on a different Mothman video too that should be coming out like in a couple of days. I just need to get a good thumbnail for it. Yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys in anyways, I'll see you guys in a second. Bow down to this guy. I found a friend. No, we're friends! We're friends, brother! Bowing down to this guy, guys. Bow down to him. We must save our fishy brother. Save our fishy brother in. Fuck him up, Ace. No, I got you, brother! Yes!
I'm dead.
Bow down.
Oh, we have another one? Yay!
Yeah!
I'm dead!
We must go to our master! Oh shit! Now bow down to it.
Dead.
Hold B and then let go of it. And then, yeah, so like hold, yeah, and then look up. All hail the fish lord. We must bow to the fish lord! Bow down to the fish lord! Bow down. No, save the fish lord! Save him! I got you, my fish! Don't let him die! Pull! Pull him up! Save him! Oh, we have the fishman! We must bow to the fish lord! Bow to the fish lord! Bow to the fish lord! This is so fucking stupid. Bow to the fish lord. They're gonna be so good. No! Get him! Lift him up, lift him up! Yes! We saved him. Bow to the fish lord. No! Go! We must run, lads! Save him! This is amazing. I think I started a cult. Left!
We need a bow!
Come on, we need to save him. Up.
Ah! I got beaten by a dino.
No!
We must get up.
You bitch!
We must get up.
You dinosaur!
Kings!
Bow to the fish.
I'm okay! Keep
I'll take
going!
this man out.
Okay.
Stay away from the fish lord. Face! No! I'm alive. You guys must get a book. He's like, how dare you kill my friend? I see you over there. Yes, offer it to the fish lord. Oh god. Oh god. He's alive. He's like, yes, bow down to me.
It's like it.
Oh, hey, yes. He's like, yes, I have an offering. Oh, he didn't like your offering. Give him that one. I like that one instead.
Take this.
What do you think about it?
He's like,
He likes it.
yes, I have an offering. I prefer this one.
He likes it.
Yeah.
You want this one as well?
Get out of his way. I didn't know you always like.
Let me go and up a ball. We got
Grab the local one!
I love this. This is amazing. Oh no, Ace! Wait, how did you not get knocked down by that? Oh shit, Ace! To be honest, you tested.
Okay, yes. You got both.
Now you must sacrifice your life for the fish.
You shot. No, you gotta get it up one.
Nope. Too late.
He just like.
Like, what the fuck happened?
They're not
We
gonna
must
kill
save
him.
the fish lord from the
Kill him,
giants.
Dylan.
Ah.
What the?
Bow to the fish.
At least for cheese.
Bow to the fish. Bow to the fish. Bow to the fish lord.
What's in your cheeks?
Oh, hey.
Not me. Are you say me?
Fish lord.
Oh,
Ah!
that bitch.
Oh, hail the fish lord.
Wait!
It's gonna
Fish
happen.
lord, go!
Oh, hail the fish lord. I'll save you, sign scum! I went through the sign, holy shit.
Bow to the fish lord.
Bow to the sign. He's probably so confused, like, how the fuck do I do that? That's amazing. I love that. Hey guys, that's enough for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you're new around here, well, you might as well subscribe. I mean, if you've gotten this far in a 14-year-old's video, then I'm doing something right. Peace out, see you later, and remember, stay determined.